Hello students, today we are going to start our 5th chapter of M Science, Leadership Quality. First there is a poem of 2 seeds. The first seed thought, I want to grow, I want to send my roots deep into the soil, I will force my spots through the soil above me, I will enjoy the warmth of the sun, I will produce leaves, flowers and fruits, I will do good to the world. And the second seed thought, and so the first seed, so she grew. And the second seed thought, how I will grow? What is the use of growing? If I send my roots into the ground below, I may be hurt. If I push my way through the hard soil above me, I may damage my delicate sprouts. If I let my buds open, I may be attacked by worms. How will I survive the summer and winter? And so she waited. The next day, a hen was scratching for food. It found the waiting seed and ate it. And so he is perished. So we should always be positive. A positive person grows in his life by taking goodness, and the negative person always keeps evil side with him. So you see in this poem, the positive plant grow, but a negative plant cannot grow. So always be positive in every situation. So the next one is leadership. A leader is one who gives, is not a one who gives inspiring speeches, but more that he is a role model for his followers. Means a leader is a role model for his followers, all his followers. The lives of our national leaders like Gandhi ji, Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, etc. are the examples of supreme leaders. A life based on certain principle is greatest quality of dynamic leaders. So today we will discuss some qualities of successful leaders. The first quality is a leader must be an able organized. Means he must be an organized, he must know how to organize the things. Second quality is a leader should have a lots of patience and adjustability. Means leader should have patience to do work, and he or she can adjust in any situation. Next is a leader should motivate everybody. He should motivate to everybody. Next is the art of decision making is an important quality that an efficient leader should have. Next is a leader should do everything possible to go forward. Means he do everything that is possible. He should try to do everything. A leader should forget the personal advantage. When he do work for the nation, then he should forget his personal advantages. The fear of consequences and lack of courage are two things that stop one from being an inspiring leader. A leader should have the ability to resist pressure both from inside and outside the group. A leader should have a pleasant appearance also. So these are the some qualities of leaders. Now there are 10 principles for leaders. The first is avoid unnecessary criticism and complaints. Give honest and sincere appreciation. Make the companions feel important. So do the work like this that your companions also feel important. Become genuinely interested in other people. Learn to smile whenever possible. Call others by their names. Be a good listener. Talk in terms of other man's interest. Remember that action speaks louder than words. And the last one principle is don't try to imitate anyone but have one's own identity. So these are the principles for leaders, but today we will discuss the qualities of leaders. So the first thing we discuss that positivity. Positive man always grows and negative does not, that we see in this poem. Thank you.